Oh, hello. Hi guys, Philip here from the YouTube channel, and today another unboxing of a speaker, but this one Sonos One second generation. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so there's not a lot in the box. There's only a power cable. However, the Sonos speaker comes in that really nice protective sleeve, and I'll get it out just now. Oh, by the way, the Gen 2 is the one with Amazon Alexa, so you can use your voice to... Oh wow. The Sonos One Gen 2 is fitted with Amazon Alexa. You have plus and minus, pause and play, and the microphones, and it sounds absolutely great. What do you think actually how it sounds? I will use Epidemic Sounds where I have an account, and there will be no copyright strikes on YouTube. So using this lav mic on my Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone system, and as well as on my iPhone 11 Pro, I'll try to show you the sound. Maybe it sounds weird not to show you, but if you have headphones, just put them in and let me know in the comment what you think about the sound from the system here in my living room. I hope that the sound was good and you used your headphones. I know it's a bit amateur, but there's nothing else I can do. I believe that the sound from the iPhone and the sound from the lav mic will be enough for this fairly unscientific sound test. Well, if you have any questions, you know what to do. Drop the comment down below. Going back to where I was. So the speaker sounds amazing. I know I don't have a directional mic or anything like it, but I believe that you could hear how great that sounds. I do have a play bar, soundbar from Sonos underneath my TV, and it sounds amazing. Well, pretty much that is it. Really short and weird unboxing and a short test of these Sonos One Gen 2 speakers. If you like this content, please give it a thumb up. If you have any questions, just drop the comment down below in the comment section underneath the video, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And what else? Nothing, pretty much that is it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers!